Guys, we are just weeks away from the absolute biggest sporting event on the planet. The 2026 FIFA World Cup is almost here, and history is about to be made. But let me ask you a serious question. How are you planning to watch it? If you are thinking about paying your cable company a fortune just to unlock the sports packages, or worse, if you are planning to rely on a sketchy free Firestick app that buffers every 10 seconds, you are setting yourself up for a massive disaster. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, I am going to make sure your World Cup experience is absolutely flawless. I am going to show you how to bypass the greedy cable companies and avoid the free app crashes. We are going to set up the ultimate 4K VIP sports experience on your TV using Mint IPTV, so you don't miss a single goal this summer. Let's dive in. This is exactly why the entire cord-cutting community is switching to Mint IPTV right now. Mint IPTV is not just another random app. It is a premium, private server built specifically to handle massive traffic. Here is why it is the absolute best way to watch the 2026 World Cup. Anti-freeze technology. Mint IPTV invests in high-end, dedicated servers. When the World Cup final happens, your stream stays locked in crystal clear 4K and 1080p. You get a flawless, zero buffering experience. Global sports coverage. You don't just get the US or UK broadcasts. Mint gives you access to thousands of international channels. You can watch the games with the exact commentary and network coverage you prefer from anywhere in the world. Every game live and VOD. You get every single group stage match, the knockouts, and the final. Plus, their massive video-on-demand library means you can catch up on full match replays and highlights if you miss a game while you're at work. Getting this VIP setup running on your Firestick, Smart TV, or Android box takes less than 3 minutes. Secure your VIP pass. Grab your phone right now and go to the official portal, mintiptv.io. Grab your subscription. For a fraction of a cable bill, you can secure your account for the entire tournament. Check your email for your Extreme Codes API login. Download your player. Go to your Firestick, open the downloader app. You can install a premium player like TivyMate or IPTV Smarters Pro, or you can download Mint's custom app by typing mintiptv.io/app directly into downloader. Login. Open your player, click Login with Extreme Codes API, and type in the exact details from your Mint IPTV welcome email. Hit Add User, let the massive TV guide download, and you are officially ready for kickoff. Guys, the World Cup only happens once every 4 years. Do not let a buffering screen ruin the experience for you and your friends. Head over to mintiptv.io right now, grab your premium VIP subscription, and get your living room ready for the biggest tournament in the world. I have put the direct link at the very top of the description and pinned it in the comments below so you can click it instantly. If this video helped you secure the ultimate soccer setup today, please absolutely destroy that thumbs up button. It helps the channel out so much. Make sure you subscribe with the bell turned on so you never miss a tech upgrade. Drop a comment down below. Who is your prediction to win the 2026 World Cup? Let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go get your Mint setup running, and I will see you in the next video. Peace!